Hi, I'm Steve, Chief Fox at Fox Cycling. When I was 3, I couldn't cycle. My granddad, Jack Fox, cobbled together a balance bike, and that was the start of my journey. Over the years, I've noticed so many children struggling to learn to cycle and thought this is avoidable. So I created a process that teaches kids to cycle in less than an hour. No stabilisers, no tantrums, no backaches, just kids loving cycling, so families can cycle together. My passion turned into an exciting business, particularly when I started selling lots of bikes and helmets and turned it into a franchise. For every child taught to cycle, our pilot franchise sells 1.5 bikes at an average price of £325. Our average customer spend is £450. So you can see what we offer is unique and in demand. So thank you for your interest. Check out the rest of this video, a breakdown of what Fox Cycling is all about.
Fox Cycling offers a 3-step process. Step 1. Cycle Tots, group balance bike sessions for preschoolers, giving them the foundation needed to become pedal ready. Step 2. Cycle Kids, 1-to-1 learn to cycle in an hour. The parent often purchases from us a proper lightweight child-specific bike. Step 3. Buy a bike. The Portishead pilot performed as follows. 2018, 169 children taught to cycle, 245 bikes sold. 2019, 196 kids taught to cycle, 241 bikes sold. 2020, even during lockdown, 150 kids taught to cycle and 236 bikes sold. Our first franchisee launched in Bishop Stortford in October 2020, with all available sessions totally sold out. Our second franchisee launched in Bristol in September 2021. Our average customer value for Cycle Kids is over £450, and in 2020, we sold 1.5 bikes per customer. In 2020, we introduced the Cycle Tots product in readiness for a franchise expansion across the UK. There currently is no national provider of learning to cycle classes in the same way as there is for football, rugby, swimming and dancing, etc. We aim to build a network of 100 franchisees teaching children to cycle, with all of the bikes sold to parents purchased through our central online store and delivered to the customer the following day. Our franchise model has 3 revenue streams. We charge a franchise fee of £20,000, as well as a management service fee of 8% on the Cycle Tots and Cycle Kids revenue. And finally, the bike sales from all franchisees are processed through our account, on which we earn 20% gross margin on each sale. We will use the funding to accelerate franchise expansion, upgrade our booking system and customer support. We're building the go-to brand for family cycling with a product that has the wow factor. This is just the start of our exciting expansion plans, and we'd love to have you on our team.
So, there it is. Before I leave you, people ask me, why is now a good time to invest in Fox Cycling? My response is, well, for many reasons. One of those is we've spent the last several years working on our product market fit, and we are now ready to scale up across the UK. So, come and join our ride. Thanks again for watching this video. Here comes our short outro. Thanks and take care.
Fox Cycling. Learn to cycle in an hour.